Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Revolut app, open it, and sign in if needed. Once done, go to the Cards tab. This directs you to every card linked to your account. Tap the specific card you want to cancel so details load. This avoids affecting the wrong card. Make sure you recognize the last 4 digits and check recent activity for pending payments. If the card is already frozen, unfreeze briefly to access the full menu, then proceed to the card settings options. Once in the card view, scroll to the Manage or Settings area to find cancellation options. You'll see choices like Replace, Close, or Report Lost. Choose Close or Cancel Card to proceed. Explain why you're canceling if prompted. This helps Revolut flag fraud or service issues. Check for scheduled payments, active direct debits, or link services. Cancel or transfer them first to avoid declined payments. If the app asks, confirm identity via 2FA, so the cancellation is securely authorized. You'll be asked to confirm the cancellation. Read prompts and accept to finalize. After confirming, take a screenshot or note any confirmation ID for records, then monitor your Revolut activity for at least 7 to 14 days to spot refunds or stray charges. If payments are still attempted, reach out via the in-app chat or support section and provide your confirmation details. If the app won't let you cancel, escalate with support and freeze the card to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.